guys, and welcome back. My name is Alina, and I think today we're going to unpack my new Cricut Maker. Originally I had a Cricut Explorer Air 2, but I ended up selling it because I wanted to get the Maker to kind of like broaden the choices, I guess, of like materials that I could work with, because of course with the Maker you can use it for a lot of different other things like wood and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get to it. I've just realized I have no idea where I'm gonna put you because I'm still working out space and desk stuff. Ta-da! Okay. I got blue because blue is my favorite color. Oh gosh, and there are sparkles everywhere. I spilled a bag of glitter the other day. I have some tools in here that might come in handy. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to exactorize some of these. Nope. Okay, let me show you what's inside the box. This is actually a massive box for what's inside, I think. Let's get started. I open this. Okay, let's start. Aha! This is actually a lot harder to do with one hand. To begin, go to, are you going to focus? Hello, thank you. Ooh. Says, I don't know if you can read that, materials for your first project. Oh, so when you get a new Cricut, they generally give you like cardstock and stuff to do like a practice project so you can get used to the Cricut, I guess. So what's this? This must be the rotary blade because it doesn't look like the other cutting blade, so I'm pretty sure this is the rotary blade. Yeah. Interesting. The welcome book. I wonder if there's anything underneath it. Oh, yes there is. Okay. The welcome book in French. The warranty. Okay. It's a rotary blade cap. Kind of looks like the like Exacto cap. Okay, so you also get the pen. And this is the USB if you don't want to do wireless. So let's just put all of this back inside. Oh, Exacto, you can stay out. I'm gonna move this to the bed. And I'm probably gonna check this out because you don't really need this big bulky plastic thing. And, well, I see you, Maker. How to take this out? It's still, ooh, very nice, very nice. That was loud. Quite loud, actually. Yes! I see the mat in here. Okay, I'm going to put you guys down so I can pull this out of the box. Oh, two mats. I think you have light grip and fabric grip. So here we have it. Look at this mess over here. Oh dear. All right, let's see if we can pull off. There you go. Wow. Ugh, unboxing the Cricut is like the best thing ever, but also hurts a little because it's a little bit on the pricey side. But it's so gorgeous, like this blue. It's so nice. Holy moly. Ah. Okay. I'm gonna pull it out of the bag and we'll be right back. Alright, so I think it is time to, if it would just focus, come on. Thank you. I think it is time to break through the plastic. Ugh, brand new. I remember with my Explorer Air, it didn't come in like this plastic wrap like this. It was, you know that like sticker film that's like super satisfying to peel off? Those. This is not as satisfying. Sad days. But what can you do? Peel the rest off. Oh, it's actually... It's beautiful. Ooh, is this scratched? Let's see. It's a little bit scratched. Can you see? Focus. You can do it. So it's a little bit scratched over here, but... and over here. I wonder if that's okay. Oh, the inside is beautiful. Just beautiful. Take that off. Ah, here's the blade. So this is the fine point blade, like that. The shell's a little bit different than the Explorer Air 2. And then this one's the side where you can put like the other, whoops, like pens and stuff like that. Oops. It's fine. Very cool. And that's it. And that's the total unboxing. I know it's kind of a short video, but maybe I'll try printing out some stickers and meld it with this video, which I think is what I'm actually gonna do. But I have to go set up the Cricut with the Cricut website first. So let's do that. Okay, let's get out of rain. So, Cricut.com/setup. So let's try that. Hello, Cricut. Open. Oh, I guess I have Design Space 2 downloaded on my laptop already. What is this? Who knows? Yes, I have a lot of things up. Trying to set up a new color up here. I think I like this light blue, but the problem is Cricut, whenever I print things, like my sticker, sorry for the loud, let's see if I can, there you go. Cricut likes to print my colors really funny, so if they look like this on the computer, ooh, if they look like this on the computer, they tend to come out a lot darker than what it should be. So I'm trying to figure out how to get this color instead. Alright, so we are registering a Cricut Maker. Oh, I've got to plug it into the machine. Right then, give me a minute. I've decided to set us up here at my kind of messy desk. I'm still finishing up school, so there's still a lot of books and pens and papers and stuff until my last exam, and then it should be clear. So I've set us up on my desk, and we're gonna go set this up. Okay, let's continue. Oh, maybe I should turn it on. There you go. Claim your goodies. Your Cricut machine comes bundled with a collection of free images, fonts, and ready-to-make projects. To add them to your account, just register your machine by clicking continue. Yay! Done. Your fabulous free 1-month trial. Last time I got the Cricut, I didn't really use this. But if you do get a Cricut and you want the Cricut Access plan, it is 1 month free and then $9.99 plus tax per month after, like every month after that. And you can cancel at any time. However, I don't know if that's probably $9.99 US. And I'm in Canada, so it's a little more expensive than that. Alright. Enter your info below to start your free trial to Cricut Access. After 1 month, you'll be automatically charged. What if I don't want to? Maybe later. I see. So this is the project, I guess, that comes with the Cricut Maker. I don't know if... Well, the Cricut Air one came with a card that said enjoy. It was actually really cool. But I guess this one's different, but we're not going to do that. Maybe later. Okay. Now, I already, of course, have all my stickers here. But I'm thinking, what if we do some Photoshop and maybe try some blues. Alright, my friends, so we are ready. I clicked make it. Let's just focus you. Okay, so we're going to continue. Select a Cricut device. I wonder, how do I connect it to Bluetooth again? Blurb. Okay, we're plugging in the Maker. It printed. And the color is actually really nice. Oh, maybe I should do this instead. The blue turned out really nice, actually, so I think I'm going to keep this new color. Okay, my friends. Here we are. Just going to load that. Excuse me for a moment. Okay, it's doing its thing. And I think it's time to click the button. Maybe I should pull this out a little bit. Okay, there. so different. From the Explorer Air. Oh, now I have to check to see if it did it properly. Are the cuts alright? Ooh, it cut off. It is not good. It's just finishing up the last cut. However, I did look at the sticker cuts and it is so off. I cannot believe that even with a new Cricut, I still can't seem to get it to cut properly, centered, whatever. It's a little frustrating. And it's done. Let's see. Can you see? Like it's not. Why do you do this to me, Cricut? Every time. But at least the color came out great. Woo! Alright. I think I'm just going to close that for now. Peel this backing layer off. Bam. I watched Planned by Jyla. I think that's how you pronounce it. And she actually saves her extra like sticker for labels, and I thought that was just so smart of her to reuse things like that. So I think I'm going to keep these and cut them up as well. Here's the mat. And we're just going to roll it. Ugh. It cut a little bit deep. So you'll notice there are like, I don't know if you can see, but there are like faint cut marks on the mat because I got it a little deep since it's new. Okay, let's cover these up. Okay, these are what they look like. Super cute, except for the fact that the cuts are off. Not focusing. Except for the fact that the cuts are off. Oh, there you go, you can see it now. They're still super cute. I'll have to somehow figure that out. What I'm most excited about though is this color on the top. It's exactly the blue that I kind of wanted, It's exactly the blue that I wanted. So, there you go. Stickers. Except they're all going to be ones that I'm using because the cuts are so bad. That's everything for today. Obviously the cut didn't go so well on the Cricut, but we'll fix that. It's usually a big trial and error anyways, even normally, which is kind of annoying, but it's, what can you do? So thank you guys for watching. Until the next video, which is probably going to be like an art video, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.